Hi, my name is Klas Jersevi and I'm UX Director at Weavy. I'm gonna show you how to integrate Weavy component into Angular.NET Core project in Visual Studio. So I have created Angular Core project right here in Visual Studio. You can also do it with the .NET command line tools. And basically just set up an app and we're gonna add Weavy to it to add social collaboration with Posts app and Files app. And first off, we start by including our Weavy library. Just include it in the index file, load it there. You can also configure to have it built within Angular. We have all the details around this both in our blog and on GitHub. So just go there. We're using a showcase server that we have for this case. You can use it for this example as well. So we start by creating a service that we're gonna use for the Weavy instance. So this service injects itself into the root, and we provide it with a JWT token here. We have a static token that only works for the showcase site. So you would replace this with your own authentication provided JWT token here. And we just create this Weavy instance normally and assign it here, so it's available for all the components that's gonna use this. And we provide a space method here, so we can just create a space. It's basically a wrapper that provides auto initialization when needed, so we don't load anything unless we use it. And we also handle the destruction of Weavy here. And when we have this service, we start by adding a Weavy component. That's gonna be the one we use when we want to provide Weavy apps. So we start at the top here. We just define a div that we're gonna use as a container for Weavy, and we use this Angular reference and also provide a style to make the div not render a box, so that we can control it from the outside instead. Then we have a few input parameters that we send to the space initialization and also the app creation. So we use different lifetime cycles here. One to create the space, and then we have to wait until the after view in it to get access to the native element of the div, so we can send it to Weavy. And here we also handle the destruction. So really just linking between the Angular div and the app. And to use this, I have created 2 different pages, one for files and one for posts. So this is just really simple pages. So here we just provide a container outside of this to be able to set the height. You can use a flex layout or whatever you wish to get it, and the Weavy app will adjust itself to the outer container. And then we just provide the options that we want. So we have a space called Angular space. A space is really just a grouping of apps that you can use to match it, like against a team or a project or whatever. That is the common thing for the apps. And then just provide a type and a key and optionally a name as well. And we have done the same for a file component here. So it's basically the same, just with the files app instead, and using the same space. So we're gonna have a look what this looks like. Close this one. So here, launching our Angular app. Let's see. There we go. So we have 2 more pages here. We have basic ones here, and then we have our post app. Let's see. Here we have it. I'm just gonna this is nice. Here we have, and it works with the preview as well. Perfect. And then we have the files app. We can create Office, Google, Slides, whatever, and also have the notes. I can see different versions. So everything is working just as expected, and it's really easy to use that declarative way of having a component. So thank you for watching, and make sure to visit our blog and GitHub to try these on your own, and also have a look at our other videos to see what you can do with Weavy. Thank you.